Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. I'm doing some more savings challenges today, and I'm very excited about it. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30 that I'm working with today, which is fantastic because I had an opportunity to spend this money and I didn't. And I'm glad that I chose to come here and stuff this money. I really want to see a sinking funds cash stuffing in my life pretty soon here from myself. We need some sinking funds money, not just spending money. So let's go ahead and get some change, hopefully, maybe. All right, I guess that's the best we're gonna do. We're gonna throw that 5 in there. And yesterday I just rolled the dice to see how much I was putting into each envelope. I'm not gonna do that again today. I'm just gonna roll the dice and put let's do 3 bills. I always do 2. Let's do 3. Number 2 is getting $3, or 3 bills, because I have a $5 spicy in there. 5, 5. All right, so number 5 is completed. Yay! 2. Number 4. Number 4 only needed $1. 3. 2. 'm so excited. Okay. 3. 2. All right, we got one more dollar going into number 6. Number 6 needs love. Going pretty slow there, number 6. All right, so number 1 is not getting anything today, but this one's from Melissa Manages and Lisa Grateful Me. Not putting anything there, and it has $4. Let me see. 2, 3, 4. Yes, it has $4. All right, number 2. This savings challenge is from Suns and Roses. I mentioned before that I got this as a freebie, but it may actually be for sale in her shop. It's not always a freebie. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 today. What? $12. Let's see, how are we going to do this? Let's do a 5. How about this 6 and a 1? Is that right? $12, 5, 6, 11, 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. So now in total we have 14 bucks in the savings challenge. I did decide to do the sum method for the larger numbers. Okay. And number 3 is from Mimi Budgets, getting, oh, they got the spicy 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Let's see here. So we're going to go ahead and do a 5 because that one will help us out quite a bit. And we'll do this 4 and a 1. Let it dry for a second there. All right, in total, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. And this savings challenge is supposed to save me $25. So, super cute. Let's see. All right, and then this savings challenge we are completing today. This one's from Batty Bankroll. Adding $1. All right, in total we have $5, $6, $7, $8. So we're not going to add another one until we complete these savings challenges. This last savings challenge is from G&L Budgeting Besties, and it says girls just want to have fun. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bucks. All right, so in total I have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. Woohoo! Love it, love it, love it. We are going to put this money into my sinking funds envelope in just a moment. This savings challenge is from Simply Tea Plans, adding $1 today. And now we have $2 in this savings challenge. And for those of you who are interested in knowing, I did try to do some with larger amounts and then some with smaller ones. But I also wanted to stick with my green theme for March. I think we're going to have to revisit it because, yeah, I'm going to be out of green here very, very soon. So I do have another idea in place just in case that doesn't work out with the green. So let me grab my sinking funds binder. Be right back. Perfect. So let's go ahead and add this money here. Once I feel like I have a nice chunky amount of money, then I'd like to go ahead and do a cash stuffing for my sinking funds. So we'll work on that at some point, but right now I don't feel like that's quite enough. I do need to get it going though. But we did complete 2 savings challenges. Yay! Very excited to see it. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.